In this video, guys, I'm about to show you how you can synchronize your WooCommerce products from one store to another. And here I already have two WooCommerce stores opened in my browser. We can see that we have this first WooCommerce store, and we also have this second WooCommerce store in another browser tab. And right now, let's just go ahead and go to products on both of these stores. So as you can see, our first store has a bunch of WooCommerce products over here, and our second store does not have any products at all. And our goal is to synchronize these products right here. And in order to do so, of course, first of all, I would like to remind you that you can do it using the standard WooCommerce import-export tools if you just want to synchronize all the products at once. But in this case, we're gonna use a plugin for that. So let's just go to plugins, and we're gonna use my simple WP Crossposting plugin in order to copy products between stores. And why it is better to use this plugin? Because sometimes you just need to copy some specific products, and sometimes you need to synchronize all the changes in your products which happen on this first store, and you want to synchronize them to your second store just at the same time these changes were made. And that's why we're gonna use this plugin. Alright, and right now let's just go to the plugin settings, to settings Crosspost, and we need to connect our second store in the plugin settings in this sites tab. Alright, and here we need to provide a site address, so basically our store address over here, a username, and an application password. And one small question here: why we do not use consumer key and consumer secret in this example, in this plugin? And the answer is pretty simple. It is because this plugin also allows you to synchronize regular WordPress posts, pages, custom post types, and so on. And we can use the same data for WooCommerce products and for regular WordPress posts as well. Alright, let's just go ahead to our second store, and we need to go to your user profile. And here you can see we have this username over here, so you just copy and paste it right here. And we also have this application passwords section. We can type anything here and click this add application password button. Let's copy it from here and paste it right here. And we also need our store address, which is test. Alright, let's just type it like this. On that, let's just hit this add new site button. And as you can see, our store has been added successfully. That's great. And by the way, you can also decide what specific data of your WooCommerce products you want to synchronize. So we can change it over here in the fields tab. Alright, let's go back to the products page, and for example, let's select this product. Alright, and here if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that this publish on section appeared over here. And this in this section you can select a specific store where you would like to synchronize your product. And by the way, if you do not want to select your stores manually, you can always go back to the plugin settings and activate this auto mode. But we are not going to do it right now, so let's just select this checkbox. Alright, okay, what is that? And on that, let's just hit update. And now let's just go back to our second store. Let's go to products. And as you can see, our product appeared here, and this product has its image, has price, categories, and so on. And if you go and edit this product, as you can see, all its data has been synchronized. Alright. And right now, let's just go and select something more interesting. For example, we can select a variable product from here. So just filter it by type. Alright, and we can synchronize, I don't know, for example, this one. And this variable product has its product gallery, it has some attributes, which is color, and it also has a couple of product variations. Alright, let's just go ahead and try to publish it to our second store as well. So I'm just gonna hit update button, and then I go back to the second store, refresh this page, and as you can see, our variable product appear here. Let's just take a look. Go right here. As you can see, product gallery is synchronized. If you go to variations, our variations are right here. Our product attributes are also right here. So it's working, guys. And also one more thing I wanted to show you is a specific add-on which you can use for my plugin. So you go to plugins or first website, and I also have this add-on installed over here. And let's just try to go ahead and activate it. Alright, and then if you go to products, you can see that you can select some specific products right from this all products page, and then you can use this sync to store option. So you can select as many products as you want, then select it right here, hit this apply button, and all your selected products are going to be synchronized. And I guess that's pretty much it, guys. I will leave a link down to this plugin in the description below. And also, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments. I'm gonna reply to all of them. On that, have a nice day. Bye.